Hey, what is going on, guys? So for you guys that have like regular skateboards or electric skateboards, I'm going to show you something cool that my friend here, he has a bunch of these electric skateboards, and what he simply did was just buy guitar stands. Check these out. You can buy these on Amazon for like $10, regular guitar stands. Just go ahead and put that bad boy on there like that, and you can see, I mean, he has like several different styles of guitar stands, but they all work pretty much the same. Like I said, they're like $10, $10-12 on Amazon. You can just get like a small one like that. I'll put that back on here. Give you a look from the side here. You can see how much slant. It's basically almost straight up vertical. Just a little slant on the side. But nice way to save space. I'll have to get a couple of these myself.